Hey YouTube, back again for more Shadow Black Ryker customization. So what I'm doing is I'm putting a grill insert to protect the radiator. Just to show you. If you know all the Rykers owners, there's nothing protecting your radiator. You see when something hits it, it's going to bend your fins. So what I'm doing is I'm getting a grill to protect the rocks and the pebbles or the big things from coming in. To remove your front end though, it's easy. You're going to have underneath two screws. You're going to remove these two screws, which also have rust on them, but I used a T20 torque or T30. After you remove the two screws, there's nothing else holding the Ryker front end on. It's just these tabs. You're just gonna pull them out. You know, you just wiggle them out. They snap out just like every other piece of plastic in a Ryker. So what I did was I purchased me some mesh wiring from Home Depot, if you can see it. I cut out a template, spray painted it black. Then I'm gonna insert it with some zip ties, put the front end back on, show you how it comes out. Real easy. You cut this stuff with a scissor. It's flimsy, but it's strong. Alright, here we go. I got the actual fender sitting on my lap. I inserted the mesh grill that I cut out. So now I'm just securing it with zip ties. Got zip ties here. I recommend bending the zip tie in a V shape. This way when you come in to secure it, like so. I'm doing this with one hand, forgive me. You could just feed it right through like that. Zip tie it up. Boom. So right now I got like 4 zip ties. Probably gonna do about 6 just so it doesn't rattle. And then I'm gonna insert the grill back on. Alright, so the grill is in. You could see that this little wire mesh just blocks out the silver just a little bit. Adds some protection to my radiator, and I'm still able to get air going through it. Like I said, I bought the piece from Home Depot, spray painted it black. Must have cost me about $6-7. They have better ones, they have heavier grades. You can order them online, they have people make designs, but I just wanted to put a little something in there just to protect my grill, especially when you're riding on the highways. That's it for now. Next video, check out. I'm going to light it up for you. All the LED lights I put on the Ryker.